Hi everyone! I just wanted to come on here and briefly discuss with you some time management tips for e-learning. It can be very time-consuming creating an online course. This time of year especially, people don't have very much extra time. So I want to discuss with you 3 tips on how to manage your time as an e-learning instructor. Number 1, have clear communication. Clear communication is an essential time management strategy because of the fact that text is the most accepted form of communication in online courses. It is very frustrating when instructors don't ensure directions are clear. It takes time and effort to carefully plan out a course to avoid too much confusion. Communicate with your learners through the announcements section in the course. This will save you time if you can anticipate questions that students may ask. This will help eliminate the flood of emails that may come their way if students are confused. One strategy that you can use to anticipate if students are confused is to watch out for emails related to the same topic. If you receive 2 emails from students with questions about the same area of concern, it's likely that other students are just as confused. Number 2, have scannable instructions. Instructions and course content should be formatted in a way that they can be easily scanned. And text should be written to the point to avoid anything that's not necessary. It's suggested to limit text by 50%, making all paragraphs short and to the point. Information that is crucial and not directly related should be placed on the sideline, but not too ambiguously. Instructions should also include a meaningful title with headlines and subheadings. It's also a good idea to highlight essential keywords, key phrases, and links. The information should be arranged into bullet points or a numbered list. Number 3, follow an organized ID model or method. Designing instruction using digital tools can be extremely difficult for instructors who have little to no experience. You need to be able to follow a specific method in order to effectively create an online course. Knowing exactly what to do next and when will help save you an immense amount of time. I created a step-by-step process called the Harper method for other instructors to learn how to create effective interactive lessons that keep their learners actively engaged in mastering the learning content in the online or blended learning environment. No longer will you have to search the internet for the right answer. It's all laid out for you in an organized fashion. You will learn all these steps in the e-learning and instructional design for beginners community. Please click the link below if you would like to learn more about how to join. Have a great day!